Dr. Ikemi. I'm going to tell you just a little bit about PEMF, or the Patrick device, that I use with my clients who want to take charge of their health at home. If you haven't been in the holistic or self-care market for a while, this might be a little out of the box for you. So I'm going to break it down just a little bit. PEMF is pulse electromagnetic field therapy. It is a frequency or magnetic based therapy that transmits information to the body. There's been lots of research on it. Actually, some of the first medical indications for it are over 2,500 years old. In the Yellow Emperor's Classic of Chinese Medicine, which is one of the foundational textbooks of Chinese medicine, they talk about using magnets to affect the body. This is a way to transmit information to your cells wirelessly. You're familiar with this already. It's like you can use a wired headphone to get music into your ears or audio into your ears, or you can use wireless headphones, right? The information still gets passed through, but the mechanism, the way in which it's transmitted is different. Or imagine your cells, right? Your little cells having all of these little satellite dishes on the outside. That's actually kind of what they look like. There's all these reception stations, these little receptors on your cells. So the information can come through a biochemical signal. So that could be a drug or a nutrient that comes from food that can enter that little receptor site. Or we might be able to drop the information wirelessly, kind of like using AirDrop on your iPhone. One of the things that I do, what makes what I do different, is we use very particular frequencies or specific signals to affect the body. So imagine a radio station, right? We've got radio waves flying around everywhere, but you have to hook into a particular station to hear a particular song or hear your favorite DJ. So one of the things that's been found is that each different tissue in the body has a different signal, a different little number that can be associated with it. So by tapping into those numbers, we can create different, I like to think of them as songs. So composing songs that are unique to your body. For my concierge clients, I will custom make programs for them, PEMF programs, where it is tailored to them and their specific concerns. But I do have some general fantastic programs that I have written actually in the past for some of my concierge programs, like the first couple of generations, that have worked so well that I've been wanting to share them with a bigger population. Things that can potentially just help people have more energy, feel better, feel calmer. With PEMF therapy, there's a lot of research that you can do. You can go down that rabbit hole, and I encourage you to do so. If you've got that kind of technical brain, go for it. See if you can figure it out. But for the average person, just know that it is a way to transmit information and energy to your cells wirelessly, right? Kind of like a radio signal, like you're listening to Spotify or Apple Music. But the difference is that these songs are helping your body feel better. And you can look at the success stories that we have. A lot of our clients are surprised and delighted to have something in their corner that they can use regularly at home for themselves and their family.